So we are currently in Brisbane and it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, close to 5 o'clock in the morning. Now I just got off my train and I'm just trying to find my hotel here, and I will see if I am allowed into an early check-in, or if not at least I have like two bags. So maybe I'll just ask them to have a bag drop into their hotel. Let's see, and if not, I'll just after I drop the bag in, I'll just have a walk around town and see what Brisbane has to offer me, and take the next day XPT back home. So that's the plan for me in Queensland. Let's see how it goes. So we are just in this hotel here, and we can't go in till 7 o'clock in the morning. The time is like 5:30 in the morning. So I still have around 1.5 hours to at least leave my bag there. So I'll just have to find out a way to maybe explore the city, or maybe get some travel plan sorted. So let's see. Let's have a look. Full Brisbane River here, and we have a few lights over there, and also we also have one bridge, a few bridges. It reminds me of Newcastle in England. It is pretty much similar to what Newcastle was. So let's have a walk around, so what I'll do is I'll just go there and I'll just walk around and till the other end. Let's see how it is. Brisbane lies at the banks of the Brisbane River in Queensland, and on the banks of the river, I can see multiple bridges on the bridge. So the one behind me was namely the William Jolly Bridge. The second bridge was Victoria Bridge, and the next one was the Captain Cook Bridge, which is at the far end. So here on the Captain Cook Bridge, it has multiple traffic that goes from one end of the city to the other, and from Victoria Bridge, there's a few ferries that goes along, and one of the ferries one of the ferry terminal was North Quay. So from North Quay, we had a ferry that goes to North Quay. So I just thought of going to the to various ferries and that. And each of the ferries in Queensland can be accessed through access through one card called Go Card. And you just buy a Go Card from any of the stations there, or any providers, and you can use it on ferries, buses, and trains, and that gives you all the travel in that. So I'm just walking around here, and I just went to the Queensland Maritime Museum. It says it's closed, and it just opens at 9:30, and now it's only like 8:30 now. So I'll just go around and I'll just find something to eat, and I'll see what to do from there. Walking over the bridge here, and that was one of the ferries that I came in. To see the bank of New South Wales here in Queensland. They have a few barbecue restaurants, Barbecues here, and there's one Queensland bus station. I think it's the train station here. I'm not sure, to be honest. And they're opening some things here. They have Maya and some Coles Central, and a hotel, Hyatt Regency here if you want to come here. A juice bar, and let's see what all do we have here. Bar here, They have juice bar here, and there's one Nab, Hungry Jacks, and Macca's and all and everything. But let's see, Macca's and let's see Hungry Jacks there.